of this channel is going to be about healing, about growing, about spiritual growth, about mental growth, about emotional growth that I've seen in the past 4 years, and which a lot of people generally see in these particular ages from 18 to 22, that you can look back to and think that, oh my god, what the fuck happened. Hi guys, this is Sejal and I am back. A very good friend of mine told me that I should clear the meaning of the channel name because it is very unclear right now, and I agree. So I'm exactly going to do that today. And I thought that I'll do my makeup also with that because a talking head would be too boring. That's what the YouTube trend is these days, so why not? So first I'm going to use a gulab jal because that's the best cleansing thing in town. I was looking for a name for the channel because I couldn't keep Sejal Kumar because she's already very famous. I've been following her since I don't know since I don't know. So yeah, I was looking for a name and I was talking to my sister and we were brainstorming on the name, and she told me about this Japanese aesthetic wabi sabi. So I started googling and I read about it and I just thought that this is the perfect thing and this is what I want for the channel. So I kept it. I'm just going to tell you what it means in a while. So this is the primer that I'm using. EcoStay Insta Smooth Perfecting Primer, mattifying, oil free. Wabi Sabi basically means imperfect beauty, if I have to put it in 2 words. So before the 14th century, it had a very negative sort of meaning. Wabi meant living a very lonely life and running away in the mountains somewhere, which is what we all want to do right now. And Sabi meant lean and thin, which is again what we want to be right now. Anyway, coming back to after the 14th century, the meaning sort of started changing. The meaning of Wabi Sabi took a more positive connotation. Yeah, I'm using these two shades of CC cream. I generally mix them because I don't get a perfect one for my complexion. Also, I don't use foundation generally because I just find it very heavy on my face. Second, because I'm at home, so nobody's going to see me. Yeah, so I'm just going to mix these. So yeah, after the 14th century, it took a more positive meaning, and Wabi became rustic beauty, which means simplicity. Sabi basically meant appreciation of beauty with age and the appreciation of cycles of life. So it sort of aligned with what I wanted. I took the word Sabi from Wabi Sabi and I put 2 words sink in before Sabi just for it to look cool. Yeah, no. So basically, what I mean by sink in Sabi is that I want to sink in this aesthetic in my particular life, that you should appreciate where you are, not think about the future all the time, and also appreciate that you're coming from a position of a lot of trauma and everything that has broken you in the past, and that you will mend from that, you will get past that, and eventually become who you're supposed to be. For example, take a plate, a broken plate, okay? A plate that is very dear to you. Now, when it's broken and then you somehow mend the pieces together, it has more value to you and it looks more beautiful if you want to find it more beautiful. That is what Sabi means. It means the appreciation of mending from a certain thing that you've gone through, and that is what I want to pursue in life. That is what I want to appreciate in life, that whatever I have been through, whatever traumas that affects me today in the present, makes me more valuable, it makes me more beautiful as a person. Welcome to my TED Talk. Okay, next I'm going to use this blush. This was basically given to me by Saisha. Thank you, Saisha, if you're watching this. This is Revolution Blush Palette. I just want to portray that there are things in your life that you don't have control over. So you should just sometimes let it be and let it pan out the way it's meant for it to be. So in this channel you're going to see a lot of me blabbering about things. So I'm sorry for that already. But yeah, the main theme of this channel is going to be about healing, about growing, about spiritual growth, about mental growth, about emotional growth that I've seen in the past 4 years, and which a lot of people generally see in these particular ages from 18 to 22, that you can look back to and think that, oh my god, what the fuck happened? Yes, I hope that I'll grow with this channel, and I hope that you all grow as well with me, watching me. I'm not going to put eyeshadow today because again nobody is going to watch me. I hope that I don't bore you with everything that I put on this channel, and I hope that you subscribe. If you haven't already, please go and subscribe because it just gives me more hope, and it just gives me more. I fucked it up. Also, I think it's so important to surround yourself with people who love you, because I mean, to be very honest, I delayed the whole process of putting out a YouTube channel for 2 months straight, and I wouldn't have done it if it was not for the people who motivated me or who pushed me to do this. I mean, yesterday I was walking with my school friends and they were just so supportive. I think they believed in me more than me, myself. And they're like, bro, कितनी बढ़िया वीडियो बनाई है, blah blah blah. And I was like, यार ये तो बहुत ही cringy है. But anyway, I mean, you just gotta surround yourself with people who love you, who trust you, who want to see you somewhere. And I think that's the most beautiful part of life. I'm sorry, I haven't talked to anyone about a lot of this life stuff, so I'm just blah 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 blah. Anyway, I'm going to put mascara. This is the Hyper Curl Waterproof mascara. The worst part of all of this is that just after this is complete, I'll be going and washing my face and the mascara won't come out. Anyway, yeah, so basically Sink in Sabi is my personal journey of sinking in the aesthetic of beauty that comes with age. That you have to appreciate the cycles of life, be it the spiritual cycle or your mental cycle or your emotional cycle, and that everything will come as it has to, and you'll be where you're supposed to be. You've just got to trust the universe and the signs, and if you believe in all of that's it. That's what Sink and Sabi is going to be about. It will be about growing, it will be about healing, and yeah, just accepting yourself for who you are and who you want to be, because till the time you accept yourself and you accept your past, you cannot move into the future. You cannot just put it aside, or you cannot just think that you will get over it. You have to face that particular shit that you've been through in your life in order to move forward, and the appreciation of that broken plate is everything.